All right, here is a good example of how and when to use a branch thread in COM. So at Levels, we do these member connection calls, and we talk with different members to get feedback. So I happen to have another meeting scheduled at this time, and so Ellen had reached out to everyone. Now there's a bunch of people tagged. As you can see, like everybody tagged here is on the thread. I'm only highlighted in green because that's the only, or I guess when a person is tagged, when you are tagged, you only see yourself in green. You see everybody else in gray. But if I were to reply to Ellen and say, hey, this conflicts with my schedule, I hit R, all these people are going to get notified. And so like that's a no-no because it just creates noise in the inbox. But what I can do is I can take this here. So if I just highlight that there, I hit Shift R, and then I type in Ellen. I can still go. Let me just move this window so I'm not over it. Typically, I'll just go Ellen. Say Command Shift 8. That just indented that there, just so it's giving some formatting, and it's a little bit easier for her to read the inline versus the bullet. But say, hey Ellen, day. So now just Ellen is getting notified. I've given her the double at because it needs action, but it's so important that it gets done before Thursday, given that it is Monday today. So yeah, that's how you do a branch thread. Shift R is the shortcut, and then you can just tag a single person. So that's it.